Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Edge channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how you can download and install InShot app on your Android device. So first of all, you need to open the Google Play Store. Then on the search bar you need to type in InShot. Tap on search. You can see the InShot application on the very top. Now you need to tap on install beside it and wait for the application to be downloaded. InShot is a video editor and video maker application. The InShot features a range of tools and functions that make it one of the most go-to Android video editing tools. It does not, however, offer a tutorial, but once you start using it, you will get very much into it for the editing of your videos or the photos. It is a free application, so you can easily download it. The InShot editor is a photo and video editing app specially designed to improve the final result for any video you want to upload in your social media platform. You can see the application has been downloaded. Now you need to tap on open, and with that you have successfully downloaded and installed the InShot app for your mobile device. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Edge channel, and also thank you for watching till the very end.